Hello. So what we're trying here is we're all going to place a bet. We're all putting in some money in this little pot here. And we all have to eat a spoonful of this. Which is, I don't know what it is. So it's kind of gross.
I'm not getting that food!
Hey, hey, Dylan. So, let's go. Oh. Come on. Come on. Don't you... Come on, who's in? Yeah. He's crying. Well, I tried to go with it, but nobody was down. So if I eat it, I get the $3. Are you okay, Hayden?
You want to puke, don't you?
It's pretty bad.
Mine just heard it. You see? The big back here. Look at that. So nice.
Mine's down. No. That might have been better for you, though.
No! I failed. I hit my money.
You guys out?
Yeah.
I'm a champion. I won the money.